They just walk around. Yeah. This fish is actually good though. 160 baht. Get fish. Get a whole fish. Yeah.
You can easily eat a whole fish.
Yeah. It's good protein. I have to try this one. Yeah. This one has meat, any meat. Fish.
It's like a curried fish.
It's the whole fish.
Yeah, like either you get green curry, red curry, and then they put fish and they make it into like a cake, like grilling.
I'll probably come back and get it. Yeah, just the fish is too salty. Pussy is salty, huh? Or sweet? I like sweet. I don't like salty.
You like sweet?
Sweet pussy is better than salty, right?
They said chicken sweet.
This one here. I think last time you took me to this this bar, I think. So this must be new, this market, huh? I went to the bar last time. Yeah, the bar. I remember. We just took a look inside. Maybe had a drink. Yeah. Yeah. This one is 10 baht.
The sushi's there.
Yeah. Maybe I guess 10 baht one. 110 baht. I get baht for one. I get
I'm taking you here. They're gonna eat everything.
Yeah. 40 ใช่ไหม40ครับครับ Yes.
This is sweet, man. The chicken, see how it's red? That's sweet.
That's a sweet chicken?
Yeah, it's a sweet chicken.
I think I need that right now as well.
It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
อันนี้เป็นหวานใช่ไหมครับ
No.
หวานไหมหวานหวาน
No. This is chicken, right, guy?
This one's chicken.
This one's moo.
No, they're all chicken.
They're all chicken, huh?
This one's like the intestine. That's the. I'm not sure if this is chicken ass or not.
Did I get some ass?
อันนี้อะไรครับ
เนื้อหนังค่ะ
อันนี้หนัง oh this is only skin. Chicken skin. This is ass. And this one. What did you get?
Got the skin, I think.
You got the skin.
Yeah. Oh, I tried. Yeah. Yeah, because I didn't know. I just look at it. I'm like, oh, it looks good. Orange juice. This market is good. Similar to the that Rod 5 market.
Yeah.
Similar.
The only difference is the wrong time market. A lot of tourists, right?
Yeah.
You don't
Here's.
see anyone.
I don't really see any tourists. It's good. We already walk. I always walk this row and go and eat. Oh, this one is good. Aloe.
This is a baite.
What is?
Baite, it's like a grass. Like a grass.
It's good.
It's not aloe, no, it's not that one.
Different.
It's not a cactus.
What's it good for?
Put it in the backyard. Usually they boil it like when they make desserts, Thai desserts.
It's a sweet.
But it's really sweet, yeah.
Very sweet. You got it in the yard?
They make a cream out of it, man, as well. Like coconut.
Sushi. Sashimi. Oh man, if I lived nearby, I would just eat here every day.
And it's the same prices as what do you call it? The Terminal 21.
Yeah. It's a good price. Yeah, Terminal 21 is really good, actually. Yeah.
It's tough to go at the right time because it'd be hard to find a seat.
Yeah, true. The price didn't change in Terminal 21.
That's their selling point.
Yeah, no inflation. That's what the
Cheapest
the
food
president
court,
or the CEO or right said.
That's what brings all the customers to the bar.
Yeah, true. That's good too. Like curry. What's this market called? Is it the Indy market right there?
Market.
Right there.